notice how some nights you just crave a little extra love for your skin? That's exactly what Dove is promising with their Body Love Night Recovery Body Cleanser. Designed for dry, worn-down skin, it's a body wash that combines the soothing touch of a nighttime ritual with ingredients you might expect from your favorite face creams: retinol serum and botanical oils, all in a 17.5-ounce bottle. Right off the bat, the product highlights a night-focused approach, aiming to support your skin's natural moisture barrier while you sleep. It's pH balanced and features a 10x Moisture Boost Complex, which is Dove's way of saying this cleanser is packed with active moisturizers to keep skin soft, nourished, and calm. The scent is subtle yet comforting, blending jasmine, maple, vanilla, and amber. Perfect for that pre-bedtime relaxation vibe. Plus, it's vegan and PETA approved, which adds a reassuring touch for conscious consumers. When I first incorporated this into my evening routine, I noticed the texture immediately felt luxurious and gentle. The lather isn't overly foamy, which is great for sensitive or dry skin. It just glides over the body, cleansing without stripping moisture. The fragrance is noticeable, but not overpowering, and it leaves a soft, lingering scent that feels calming as you wind down. Over a week of nightly use, my skin definitely felt smoother and more hydrated in areas that normally feel tight and dry after showers. One standout is the inclusion of retinol in a body wash format. Retinol is typically reserved for facial products, so seeing it in a gentle, rinse-off body cleanser is a clever way to support skin renewal over and without the risk of irritation that can come from stronger leave-on products. The botanical oils also help seal in moisture, giving a hydrated, plump feel that lasts until morning. On the practical side, the pump-style bottle makes dispensing easy, and the 17.5-ounce size is generous, lasting through multiple showers without needing frequent replacement. The scent, while relaxing, might not suit everyone. Some may find the floral vanilla mix a little too sweet. Another minor point is that, being a richer formula, it doesn't lather as aggressively as traditional body washes, which could take a moment to get used to if you like that squeaky clean feel. Considering the price, I'd say it's a solid investment for dry or worn-down skin. You're essentially getting a body cleanser with face-level actives and a sensory experience that doubles as a mini spa moment at home. Compared to a standard moisturizing body wash, Dove's Night Recovery feels more advanced in its formulation and targeted in its benefits. While there are cheaper hydrating washes on the market, they typically lack the retinol component or the multi-oil moisture system, which makes this product unique for a nighttime routine. The build quality is simple but reliable. Sturdy plastic pump bottles that avoid unnecessary waste. Longevity-wise, the product itself feels effective over consistent nightly use, and the scent holds subtly without fading too quickly. Customer service from Dove generally has a solid reputation, though I didn't need to interact directly. If you're someone whose skin feels especially dry, stressed, or in need of a bit of TLC after a long day, this cleanser is an easy way to integrate both nourishment and relaxation into your nightly routine. For those looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, a standard moisturizing body wash combined with a separate night cream could mimic some benefits, but it won't have the same single-step convenience or the retinol support Dove offers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Dove Body Love Night Recovery Body Cleanser strikes a beautiful balance between gentle cleansing, deep hydration, and a touch of indulgence. It doesn't promise miracles, but it delivers consistent softness, nourishment, and a soothing nighttime ritual. If your skin tends to dry out easily or feels worn down by the end of the day, this is a product that can genuinely make a difference. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.